Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the connection possible. Check that your PC has Bluetooth hardware or plug in a USB Bluetooth adapter. Once done, make sure the Bose SoundLink has charge and switch it on. Press and hold the Bluetooth button until the indicator blinks to enter pairing. On your PC, open Bluetooth settings immediately and set visibility to discoverable so the speaker can find the computer. This avoids delays and helps the devices negotiate profiles cleanly. Now you pair and configure audio. In Windows, go to Settings, Devices, Bluetooth and Other Devices and click Add Bluetooth or Other Device. Choose Bluetooth and select the Bose SoundLink when it appears. You'll hear a confirmation tone, then set the speaker as the default playback device in sound settings. If audio stutters or quality is off, make sure the output format matches your media by using Device Properties right arrow Advanced and selecting a standard sample rate. This prevents resampling artifacts and dropouts. Finish by testing. Play a short video or audio clip and check both PC and speaker volumes. Make sure audio is routed to the Bose device. If you hit a problem, remove the speaker from Bluetooth devices, restart the PC's Bluetooth service or the adapter, and pair again. This clears stale profiles and often resolves handshake issues. If you still see latency or frequent dropouts, swap to a higher quality USB Bluetooth adapter that supports modern codecs. This gives more stable throughput.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.